How about that wolf that's been killing everyone lately?
I don't know, dude. I think we should try and hunt him down at midnight tomorrow.
Sounds like a plan.
Yeah. Here's to life.
One more.
Yeah, one more. Dollar to whoever gets the head of this beast first.
Got it. All right. Where is this thing? Mitch, you see anything?
Oh my god! It's an arcanine! Oh my gosh! Alright, Pokemon Go, come on. Okay. It's not working. Okay, this isn't working out well.
Oh, there he goes. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get you. Where did he go? All right. I'm gonna keep him good. Where is he? Not over there.
Oh, there he is!
Where did he go? Here, doggy, doggy, doggy. I'm gonna get you. Yeah, doggy, doggy. Where are you? Gotta get some protection. This should help. Got that on. My bad. Gotta put the helmet on. Well, second, for these shoulder pads, that should help. I'm gonna get this stupid dog. Oh no! Oh no!
I won this bet.